Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can deliver the project to the buyer in Fiverr. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. To deliver the project, open the Fiverr dashboard and click on View. After that, just click on Deliver Now, and here you can upload your project. If you want, then you can also write a small note. You can also add an image that you can showcase in your Fiverr gig if the buyer agrees. Now click on Deliver, and now your work has been delivered to the buyer. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing content like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.